So the potatoes are fully grown, and yes, they have flowers now, and also it's blocking my cherry tomato. It's fighting for the sun, which it is doing a pretty good job. And so today I'm about to harvest the potatoes. I don't know how big they are, but I'm sure I will have some potatoes. Right, oh. So I've just pulled the main part out, but I can already see loads of potatoes here. Oh. Look, there's still loads of baby potatoes, but who cares? They are literally blocking my cherry tomato. Hopefully we will get a big one. There's a big one here. Let's hope for something. Oh. Oh my holy. What is this? Holy. Can't believe it. There's actually big potatoes. Big potatoes. Look at that. That's really big for homegrown potatoes. But let's shake off the mud first. Look how much baby potatoes there are. I just heard something thud, and I was like, wait a minute, what is in there? Be careful of my tomato. Got that out, shake off the mud. Alright, so let's see where this potato is from. I'm worried that it's just another one from the others. Oh yeah, it's just from the others. It's not from this one. So it's fine. But that is actually big. Crazily big. No way. No way. Oh, that is the biggest one yet. Some more here. I don't know if it's that one, but it's all cut off. So I'm pretty sure it's this one, because I'm already mixed up. I was just digging here just now again, just to double check. I wasn't expecting this. Oh, wait. There's like 3 more big potatoes down here. That is crazy, man. Wait. Wait. What is this? Another big potato. Another big potato, guys. I think I'll have to keep recording until midnight. Holy man. Holy man. There's still some more potatoes I haven't uncovered. Wait, what is that? Wait. There's a greenish baby potato. Look at that, it's so cute. Alright, it actually doesn't feel right, because this one is actually big, but it's bendy. Perhaps I will actually just like harvest this one too. Ooh. So now it's empty, pretty much. Look, it's just the roots. There are no baby potatoes hanging off. Let's dig for some. There is one. Just a mini one. Look at that. Just a mini one. It could be on the sides. Holy, that is actually that is the biggest actually. It's time to wash the potatoes. Right, look at my potatoes. They're all nice and clean. And yeah, there are actually a lot of potatoes. Can't even bother to count them all. So because right now I'm holding the camera, I can only spray it. I can't rub it. I can't use both of my hands. Right, so we've got 3 more cute little potato here. Right, my potatoes are completely dry after the wash. And look, they're actually so adorable. It's so cute. Look at those mini potatoes. That is so amazing. So now I'm going to take it back into my house and then wash them before I cook them and eat it. In the next video, I will be making mashed potato with these homegrown potatoes. So go to the cookie playlist and stay tuned for the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.